G'day, Connor, Jack here, Leash behind the camera. This is Jack's new to him 2007 CRF250R. When we got it, the clutch went out, but the stuff that it was doing kind of indicated a new clutch basket. So we're going to be doing that today. We kind of forgot to record half of it, so we're most of the way done, but we'll walk you through the main stuff that you got to do. First thing you got to do is take the brake lever off. Don't have to remove the spring, you can if you want. All you got to undo is that main bolt there with a 8mm Allen key. And then once that's off, you can pull your plate off. That's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts on it. They are these ones. They're all the same size, so you don't really have to worry about that. That then pops off. You've got a real thin little gasket there. Careful with that if you're going to reuse it. We're going to try and reuse it for this application. The one we bought's wrong, so going to be very careful with that. Then you've got to pull the 5 clutch spring retainer bolts out. They pop out like that. We've separated the springs and the bolts. That's all out. Once they're all out, this here comes off. Be careful, is when this comes off. You got that little bit there. I just seat that back where it likes to seat so it doesn't get lost. Put that up somewhere safe. And you've got your clutch pack that comes out. You just pull them out like that. For this particular bike, it had 2 of these real weird thin rings in there. Don't know, haven't seen that on a clutch pack before, but hey, it worked. Now the new clutch kit that we have doesn't have that ring, so we should be all good. Once you undo that, you've then got in here this lock washer here. This lock washer has a side, this side here, that's bent up. You got to bend that down. We bent it down with a screwdriver, smack it down. We're going to bend it back up, hopefully reuse this one here again on that side there. That comes off. Also has another washer underneath it. We're keeping it in that stack so we don't lose it. When you pull your actual clutch basket off, or this part here off, be careful. There is a washer as well, that washer that sometimes falls off. And from there, your actual clutch basket comes out. A little bit heavy, has a little bit of oil on it, so I'm going to let it drip out. There's that other washer. Now clutch basket, we need a drill press those out. We're also going to use a punch to center punch that hole so the drill doesn't wander. You can use a grinder. I've got a grinder, but I don't really want to use that. Main reason we're replacing this right now is those steps. I'm not sure if you can see the steps. On this one, it's not that bad. I watched a video yesterday of a dude where his was way worse, but that there's meant to be smooth. That can stop your clutch from engaging properly or disengaging properly. But yeah, we got to drill those there out, get that plate there off, and we need to, with a bench press or something, press this gear here out, and that gear there will also come out, and that goes onto the new clutch basket. We'll show you that in a minute. I've put that back on, and then each of these, which you can very carefully save from the bike or buy new ones, which you should do. These here then push in and set in like so. You want to make sure when you're looking at it, the sprocket is as central on the thing as you can get it. Because if you put these the wrong way at first, it will move it. So we've just pressed this gear here out, so it was in like that. We'll press it out from the bottom out. Has a washer as well that you need to make sure you keep, like a spacer. We'll put that in once all this here is all put together. So just press this gear here in till it's flush there until it stops, and you got that spacer in there. So then it's ready to go back in the bike. Yeah, gonna chuck the new clutch basket assembly in. Very minimal play. This is the next washer that needs to go on. Put that bad boy on. Now this comes on. Alright. Looks so clean. Next washer. Your lock washer, which goes on a certain way. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay. So this needs to be done up to 51-ish torque pounds.